What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over a 1990 67,000 original mile Islander edition. This thing just screams 90s cool. You get these dope old school graphics. It's kind of like a Karate Kid throwback. It makes me want to wax on, wax off. It's a 4.2 liter inline six carbureted engine. You do get power brakes as well as power steering, so easy to move around with. It was a one owner out in Colorado for over 30 years until last year when the guy we got it from purchased it. He put on this set of wheels and tires and updated the suspension, just gave it a really mild lift, nothing nuts. And then the roof rack. Other than that, there was really nothing else to mess with. This is all the original paint, original hard top, which you don't always find. Usually there's a different top on these things. All original interior, which is even crazier. You always find that updated radio at some point. It is all correct. No cracking in the dash. These came with a two-tone interior, blue piping. Rear seat is in excellent shape. I'll try to get a shot of just how nice this whole thing is. The only spot on the interior is you do have a little delamination in the vinyl there, but other than that, just really immaculate car. And it's cool to see them like this. You just don't see a lot of survivors, especially in the Wrangler, that haven't been cut up and goofballed with and added to and upgraded and all that sort of stuff. And being from Colorado, which is a no salt state, the underside of this car as well looks really clean. Doesn't look like it was undercoated, which I kind of like. You can really see the true condition of the frame. And if you check out our website, crossjeep.com, you can see photos underneath as well. Any other questions, you can always give us a call as well at 502-459-9900. We'll talk to you guys soon.